What's up, you guys? This is Adam from the Peer2Peer Foundation. We're starting up a new mini-series in which we ask the simple question of what tips and tricks you wish you would have known through your first and second year of podiatric medical school. We're joined today by Bethany Robinson, so stay tuned as she gives some tips about time management. Enjoy.
Hi, my name is Bethany Robinson, and I'm a third-year medical student at the Arizona College of Podiatric Medicine. I am working with Peer2Peer to bring you tips that have helped me succeed through the first 2 years of podiatric medical school. Tip 1 is to make a schedule and stick with it. When preparing for an exam, I like to fill out my calendar with the lectures I plan to review each day leading up to an exam. This helps me break down exam material into manageable chunks and keep track of how many passes I have completed of each lecture. Tip 2 is to get adequate sleep. Trust me, I know how easy it is to lose sleep over studying. But in order to have all cylinders firing when it comes to test day, you need to have proper sleep. I must give credit to ACCPM's Dean, Dr. Jensen, for this last tip, and that is to focus your time and energy on your studies before all else. An unfortunate mistake that some first-year students make is getting too involved in extracurriculars right out of the gate, and then their grades start to slip. I highly encourage students to get involved in research and clubs, but please make sure you are always putting your schooling first. And those are all of my tips I have for you today. Thanks for listening.